So this mini lecture is about kinematics and forces. We have just finished one-dimensional and two-dimensional kinematics, and so just to refresh everybody's memory, including my own, kinematics provides relationships between position and displacement, between displacement, time, and velocity, and between velocity, time, and acceleration. And those were formalized with the four kinematic equations that you learned in 1D. And when we went to 2D, the primary example in 2D was projectile motion, and then we had an end of chapter example of uniform circular motion. So we're about to go into forces, and I don't want you to lose sight of the connectedness of all this material, so I think it's probably important for me to tell you something about how forces and kinematics are related to each other. First of all, a force is intuitively a push or a pull. Force always has an object on which it acts and an agent causing the force. And lastly, and this is the segue with kinematics, forces cause a change in velocity. But since a change in velocity is always accompanied with acceleration, forces cause accelerations. And so therefore one can say that forces are the agents or the cause of acceleration. And when we talk about Newton's laws, we will see that Newton number 2 formalizes this relationship.